Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be explaining the dance step by step and with the counts. And don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. If I'm speaking too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed of the video in the YouTube settings. If you want to practice with the music, check the link in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. And if you're ready, let's get started. For this tutorial I'm going to be following this part. So the first counts are 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So bring out your left and right index finger. Left index finger is going up and the right one is going to point to the left side like this. Then you're going to switch, so now right index finger is up, left is pointing to the front, then switch again, now left finger is up, and then switch again, now right index finger is up. Okay, so one more time. We're going to repeat from the beginning on 1, index finger up, then switch, and switch, and you're going to end up with your right index finger up. So one more time, we'll be outside, ide. So the part where we switch is really fast, like this. So we'll be outside, ide. End up like this. With counts, 1, 2, 3. For the lower body, legs separated and legs out, lean your body to the right side like this on count 1. Then when you switch on 2, bring your legs in like this. So 1, 2 in. Then on 3, when we end up like this, legs out one more time. So it's out, in, out. Okay? Out, switch, in, out. So one more time, but with count 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Then on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hands into fist in front of our chest and elbow, right elbow is down. Then you're going to lift it up, down, and slowly lift it up. Okay, so one more time, right elbow is going up, and slowly up. And every time you lift your right elbow up, you're going to step with the right leg. So step, okay, lift, step, lift, and when you step this last time, take it down but slower. Okay, so slowly take it down, slow. One more time, step, step, and to the front, step, a lot slower. Okay, so from right to the side to the front. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We end up here, elbow up. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the very beginning, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next up is 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we ended up like this, right elbow up. Now take it down, then up, look to the front, then down, to the back, and up one more time. But now the right hand is going to be at the back of your head and just lift your left elbow like this. So from up, go down, up, down, up. So from here, right elbow down, up, down, up. One more time, right elbow goes down, up, up. A lot faster, down, up, up. And on count 1, when your right elbow is down, take your right leg up like this. So down, and then take your right leg to the back. So from here, right leg up and then to the back. So up, down, and when you take your elbow up, raise your left leg up. Okay, raise it up. So left goes up. So it is right up, then left up. From the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's repeat from this part. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, on 5, 6, take your leg down and bounce your hands down 2 times, okay? Just 2 times, okay? Down, down. Just move your body the way you want to, but just bounce your hands 2 times. So from here, 4, 5, 6. Then on 7, go to your place and stand there. From the very beginning, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next up is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So with your left arm, take it to the side, to the left side, and raise your left leg up like this. So at the same time. So 7, 8, 1, 2. Then on 3, 4, right arm up with your index finger and step down. Okay? Take your index finger, also take it down. And you have to also bounce. Okay, leg down, bounce. Well done with count 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then one more time, repeat 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, as we did before. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next up is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So right arm goes out to the right side and take your left leg up and push it down. So from here, with your left hand, push it down like this. So 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after this, on 5, 6, hands out. Okay, 2 times, hands up, up. So from here, 7, 8, right hand out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and on 7, 8, stand in your place, okay, like this. So great job, guys. Now that we're done with this part, let's repeat from here. So let's start 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.